Welcome back, people. Finally, 2023 Subaru Forester Sport. All right, we're gonna do the oil change real quick, so come with me. And also, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. All right, so let's get it. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Much love for the subscribers. Love you. Pause. Shout outs to the haters. Keep doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? I love you too. Pause. And all right, come on. If you own this baby, you wanna do the change? I'm here for you. Cool. This is how you open the hood. Pop. Like that. This baby has let me double check though. This one has 11,000 miles. Okay. So let's check the oil, how it look like. Shall we? Mm. Now we come through over here. That's where the lever is. Okay, the latch. We're gonna need that kickstand, and we're gonna put it over there. If you didn't know, and right here you see the type of coolant system this beauty has. All right, here, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. Okay, nothing much change. Same thing, same old, same old. Oil dipstick. That's how you measure the oil. Oil filter, engine air filter, ABS, a little few fuse spots, coolant reservoir, radiator cap, windshield fluid reservoir, battery, fuse spots, brake fluid reservoir. That's how you reach the front struts. Right. This is the hose for the wipers. You know. Uh, Here, let me show you this. 2.5. There you go. All right. 2023. Let's go. Now, this car, the parts are not made of metal anymore. Okay, it's other type of material. Because I tried to put a magnet here, it doesn't catch it. The bolts, yeah, but this material, no, that's something else. But this, all right, let's remove that oil filter. All right, we're gonna get the. Ooh, okay, we got it. All the tools that I'm using for this project, you're gonna find it right below the video. It says product section or product view. You'll see all the tools that I'm using. Okay, pretty much. All right, next here, this baby. This is original from Subaru. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there loose. Okay, so the oil dripping in there, and now we're gonna do we're gonna drain the oil. Okay, because if I remove it now, I think I'm gonna make a mess. I don't want to make a mess though. You know how I do. All right, so here at the bottom, one second. All right, here at the bottom. One second, let me check something. Okay, we're good. You see this cover, and you're gonna have four of these clips. I already removed three of them. You need this tool to remove these clips. Okay, just like that. Don't remove this one though. Okay, and then you just turn it. Right here is gonna tell you turn it, turn it, boom. That's the oil drain plug. It's gonna be 17 millimeter. All right, so let's do it. All right, come through with the 17. What you think about that, boy? It's pretty dark. maybe another customer that bought a brand new car and wait until it reached the 10,000 miles to do um, an oil change because the dealership recommended to do the first oil service at 10,000 miles, which is ridiculous if you ask me. Another thing, while I'm waiting for to drain the oil pulse, uh, for those fridges that are drained till the last drop of oil, you could do it like over the night. You know what I'm saying, so first thing in the morning, there's not gonna be no oil in there. On the other hand, if you wanna like do it at the spot, warm up your car and pour some diesel where you pour the oil. Let it idle for a minute so the diesel kind of like a rinse inside, dilute the oil and all of that, then drain it, and most of the oil is going to come out right away. You know. Anyways, but I'm not doing none of that. You'll see. That wouldn't hurt the engine. Okay. A lot of people are like, yeah, but you didn't drain all of the oil, all the oil. You didn't drain the oil. I'm like, come on, cook. What you did is in. And that's it. Tight it, snug it, put the cover back. All right. All right. So here, talking about the washer. The washer for the oil drain plug. A lot of people also say, yo, you didn't change the washer. I'm like, if it is really damaged, then you replace it. If it's not, you could reuse it. Okay. So this is how this baby look like. What it says over there. Use the AI to translate. Now I'm gonna come through over here, wipe it. This is the new baby. Pronto. That's the part number. Smart choice for auto parts. Remove this. We're gonna lube it. You can use WD-40. Make sure there's no debris in there because that's gonna create a gap and then the oil is gonna leak. Okay. Now you could use for the oil ring, for the gasket for, of the oil filter. You could use WD-40 grease, the oil. It's all Gucci. All right, now we're gonna do 4.5 0W20 full synthetic. Before I get to that, this is the bots for the oil filter, and this brand, the bots give you a few options for the same car. LC Delco with the part number, Champ, Fram, Mighty, Pensoil, Pure Later. So there you go. Okay, if you need if you want to use other brands, that's the brands with the part number. All right, you're welcome. Shout outs to Pronto. Grab your funnel. Go right there. 4.5 oil coming right up. There we go. There we go. I do this. I pour the oil slow because I don't want to overflow it at the bottom, And then you wanna shower your engine. You don't want to do that. This baby, 2023 with that 10,000 miles, still a baby, still new, non-chain. And she done. Put the cat back. What you want to do now is start the car, let it idle for a minute, then shut it down. Then you're gonna pull out the oil dipstick, you know. All right, you're gonna pull it up. You're gonna wipe it. And the oil is supposed to be right here at this dot. Okay, he has it on both sides. So now that you clean it, put it back in again. Check the level. It's gotta be there. All right, pretty much. All right, and that's it with this baby. In. All right. Let me double check something over here. All right, we're good, Chi. Okay, we're gonna start the car. All right, car is running right now. Okay. Now, you see this guy over here? Info. Press it. You see the guy over there. Press it until you see that menu. Okay. Now, we're gonna use this. Scroll up, scroll down, and this one in the middle is gonna be like okay. 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 So it says push and hold the info button. Press and hold it. The menu is gonna change. It's gonna take you there. Now let's go to maintenance. Sorry. All right, so gotta go back in there again. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna go maintenance. Enter. Engine oil. Let's just do engine oil. Okay, press enter, and there press enter. That's for the date. Now, yeah, we're gonna do that. 5 months, right? Press enter. Let's scroll up. That would be like the date. Today is October, so it will be October, November, December, March. Okay, that would be 3. Enter. Then the next one. Date, no, I don't want date. The year, 2005, 2025. Okay. There you go. And you can also do the miles. 5,000 miles. Press enter. Now go there, set. Setting complete. All right. So that's pretty much it. That's how you reset and set the oil life in this car. All right. Yeah. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to our subscribers, the viewers. Thank you for the love. And thank you for the support. Also, if you want to show your love to the channel, there's a heart right below the video. It says super thanks. Click on it. You know, it's going to ask you for a tip. And yeah, I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart if you do that. Okay. And I'm going to leave it right here. Any questions, put it in the comment box. Not necessary to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. Okay. You know what to do with that. Catch me in the next one. Astuo, Burung, Amaldi. Yeah.